Excuse me, guys. Do you know how much an elephant weigh?
An elephant.
Yeah.
That depends on the.
Actually, it weigh enough to break the ice between us. Okay. So basically, I'm shooting a video. Would you like to be part of this?
Yeah,
Sure.
sure.
Okay. So, hi guys. Wait, I'll come this side. Yeah. So, hi guys. Actually, I wanted to ask few questions from you. But the
Okay.
first question will be, what's your name?
Ashiana.
Oh my God, very beautiful name you have. And your name?
Anshika.
Anshika. So Anshika and Ashiana, I want to ask something like, if a guy is a total 10 and he has an Alto, would you date him?
He has an auto.
Alto
Alto
800.
is a type of.
Maruti
Yeah,
800,
yeah, yeah.
Alto 800.
Yeah, I would date.
You would date him?
If he's
Definitely.
a provider, if he's like a.
Depends
he's
on
gonna
his-
make me safe, feel
Yeah.
safe. And
Feel
yeah, why
safe.
not?
Okay. Then if the guy has a scooty instead of Alto,
Yeah, it's fine.
ओह यार यार ये कितनी औसम है यार
it's fine.
We
Okay.
can progress from there.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So how much you rate yourself out of 10?
I wouldn't.
Still, any idea?
I guess.
A pretty solid 9, I think so.
You are giving yourself a 9 or her 9?
Both of us.
9, okay. I'll give you 10 by the way. I'll give you guys 10.
Thank you.
Okay, so my last question will be like, truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Truth.
Okay, so you are choosing truth. What's the, आपने ऐसा सबसे बड़ा झूठ अपने पेरेंट्स से क्या बोला है जो उनको आज तक नहीं पता?
Well, I had a boyfriend who was my neighbor, and they still don't know that he was my neighbor. I told them that he lives in another city. So
तो आपके घर वालों को ये नहीं पता था कि आपका बॉयफ्रेंड पास में ही रहता
yeah.
है? Okay.
They still don't.
And what about you? Truth or dare?
I would say dare.
Dare. Okay. So do you have a best friend?
That's my best friend.
No, male best friend.
No.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I do.
So call your boyfriend
Okay.
and tell him that you saw a pretty guy and you are going to talk to him.
Oh my god.
You chose that. You chose that. Yeah,
Oh god.
you chose that. Okay. Of course you
He's
can.
already in a long distance relationship.
It will be more fun then.
So and then I tell him about the dare.
Yeah, of course. No, later on. Not on this video. Later on you
What should
can.
I say?
That you saw a pretty guy और उससे आप बात करने जा रहे हो because you cannot stop yourself.
Okay. Hello. Hi, how are you? What's up?
Yeah, speaker.
So, I wanted to ask you something. Actually, I saw a pretty guy and I think I'm gonna go talk to him.
What?
Yeah. I don't know.
Why would you do that?
Well, because he is pretty.
Okay.
So, like,
क्या था?
okay, see, it's a dare, okay? It's a dare. I'm not doing that. I love you. Hello.
Oh, so sweet.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a dare.
He got scared.
It's not, it's nothing. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll talk to you when I'm home. Say, yeah, say hello to the prank guy too, by the way.
Hi bro.
Hi bro, what's up?
Making videos bro.
Yeah.
He's making videos of people doing pranks.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. Chalo, I'll talk to you, okay? Bye.
So okay, Ashana, do you have a boyfriend or a best friend?
Both.
You have both.
Yeah.
So can you call your best friend and tell him
That's
that?
me.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh shit, you both have boyfriends. Okay, so there is no chance for me to flirt with them. Otherwise,
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे
I would have gone for it. But that's fine. Thank you so much, guys. But you guys can exchange. We can exchange Instagram if you don't mind.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay, so I'll share it.
Okay. What's your Instagram?
MEDHAV.
What were you doing?
I just react program. MEDHAV AROR triple A.
Got it.
Okay, so that's my Instagram and link है उसमें YouTube का. That subscribe that also.
Okay.
And you can also add me. I'll add you guys both back. Thank you so much. It was nice meeting you. थैंक यू बाय। सो अभी हमें बहुत सुंदर लड़कियां मिली और हमने उनसे अच्छे से प्रैंक करवाया। इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट, ये मेरी पहली वीडियो थी तो मैं फिर से हिंदी में बात करना भूल गया क्योंकि मैं तो स्टूपिड हूँ, मेरे में दिमाग नहीं है। पर कोई नहीं, अगली वीडियो हम हिंदी में अगला जो भी है जिसको भी हम पकड़ते हैं उससे हम सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करेंगे और उससे इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करेंगे। देखते हैं अब हमें और कौन मिलता है इन हौसखास की गलियों में। पर हमने देखो सीखा है कि कैसे करना है। अभी हमने 2 लड़कियों का इंस्टाग्राम ले लिया है, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा।